how to transfer contact old phone to your new phone easily. For that, open your contact, then go to your contact, then press on three dotted line, press on select. Now select all. Now simply press on share, press on done. Now here you can see the quick share option. Also you can send it to Gmail, WhatsApp, message or anything. For example, I need to send it as quick transfer. Now here code for quick scan. Now open the other phone camera and simply scan this option, and once you scan, it's shown like that. Press on open. Now if you press on import, then your all contact will be import to your new phone. Press on import and don't now. Then if you go to your contact list, then you can see the same contact is available here. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.